Hi, my name is Walker B. Rodriguez. I am 19 years old. I was born and raised in the Philippines. There are five in my family. I have my mom, my dad, and my two younger brothers here at home. My habits are cycling, playing Mobile Legends, watching animes, hanging out with my friends, and playing with my dog at home. I believe that I am fun and outgoing person. As a student, I'm a high school student and I'm getting time to my life. I work hard to study subjects like PR, math, and English. Sometimes it's challenging, but I don't give up. I also participate in extracurricular activities like sports and clubs. This helps me make friends and relax after a long day of studying.